Okay, I'm going to show you how to travel from the MRT Bang Khae to Khlong San using the BTS and the Gold Line and the Blue Line MRT. This is easy, fast, with no confusion. So let's go. Okay, here we go through security. Okay. Okay, we've got the station level map here. So platform 1 is to Lak Song, platform 2 to Ta Prat, and we have the ticket office here at the concourse level, also the ticket vending machines. We have the BTS connection level, that's the one that I want, which is the light green line. So this is the Sai Si Kyo On, this is the Silom line. On the ground level, we've got Soi Pakistan 36 at number 1. Number 2, we've got Soi Pakistan 25/3. Number 3, we've got BTS Bang Wa station. Okay, exit number 3 there is BTS Bang Wa station. Okay, here we go. Okay, so number 4, BTS Bang Wa station. So we've got the ticket machines over there, but I'm going to stand in a queue here. So I want to go to Krung Thonburi. รอที่นี่สวัสดีครับอยากไป Krung Thonburi
41 Krung Thonburi.
Okay. 41 ใช่ไหม Krung Thonburi
41
Okay.
41 บาทค่ะ
Okay, here we go. Chanchalasi to all stations. This is the platform. Okay, this is Krung Thonburi station and we want to do the interchange onto the Gold Line. Okay, exit information for this station. So exit 3 is Icon Siam. Exit 3 also the Millennium Hilton Bangkok Hotel. Exit 3 Senafest Community Mall. Exit 4 we've got the Antara Bangkok Riverside Resort and Spa. Exit 3 is the SkyTrain Gold Line. That is the one that we want. So there you go, Gold Line. So รถไฟฟ้าสายสีทองทางออก3 exit 3. Okay, exit 3. Okay, follow the arrows there to the SkyTrain Gold Line. ไปรถไฟฟ้าสายสีทอง We've got the ticket office here.
Hello.
สวัสดีครับอยากไปคลองสาน
Khlong San 17 please.
Okay, 20 ครับ So we have the ticket machines here, and there you can see in English as well. And this line isn't very long. So we're starting at Krung Thonburi, and we're going to Khlong San, which is the end of the line there. Platform 1, Chanchala Nung, is to all stations by Tuk Satani. But I'm going to take the escalator rail as well. Very dinky little thing.
The Gold Line is fully automated and has no driver. The Gold Line only has 3 stations. It has a direct link to Icon Siam. It has some great river views. It's a quick and easy ride.
Okay, this is Khlong San station, and let's take the lift. So there's a lift right on the platform here. Okay guys, this is the station here, and there we have the area map of Khlong San Gold Line station. Out we go. So you got 2 exits here, so Tang Ok Song, Tang Ok Nung, Tang Ok Sam, actually 3. I'm going out of exit 1. Okay, that was quite a few steps down, that was. And just outside the station, exit 1, we've got Rod Motor Sai, so you can go virtually anywhere. I'll just show you. Okay, so we got Kadoi San, so we've got the prices here. And that's Khlong San intersection. So Icon Siam is 500 meters that way. And that's about it for this video. Thank you very much for coming along with me. This is Khlong San station on the Gold Line in Bangkok. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscription button below, drop me a comment, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.